Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous class we have started with a chapter called as linear inequalities, and already we have discussed about the exercise number 6.1. Few problems we have discussed. So today in this class let us continue with our discussion related to our linear inequalities. So these are nothing but linear inequalities in one variables. Okay, it is one single equation in one variable. Now here one more thing what he has given is, and show the graph of the solution on the number line. That also we require to show here. Very simple thing it is. Now let us start with the problem, dear students. The problem is very simple, that is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1 here. Then afterwards shift it to 2 here. That means what we get here, that is 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2 here. Minus 2 I am taking the RHS, okay, and 2x to the LHS. So what we get, x is less than 3 here. This is a solution. Now dear students, I will draw the number line here. Okay, this is a positive x-axis, that is infinity plus infinity, and this is nothing but our minus infinity. We shall take it as 0 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, so on. And then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now here what is the x value? It is strictly less than 3, not 3, it is less than 3. That means 3 is there, we have to make a round mark here. Okay, that is a hollow mark here on the 3 here. Okay, hollow mark, what does it represents? That is less than. Okay, if you are writing in terms of, that is brackets, flower brackets here, what it is, x less than 3 means minus infinity to 3 here. We will have here open bracket. Open bracket means not 3, very less than 3 it is. So dear students, it is nothing but our required result. Okay, it is nothing but our required result. You may draw upside also. Okay, you may draw upside. That is nothing but our required result. This is the result on our number line. So majority of the textbooks they are drawing here only on this number line itself, except this 3. If it is less than, strictly less than means, okay, then we have to consider that value here. Okay dear students, now let us move on with the next very easy example. Okay dear students, that is the solution on the number line. Okay, so here I will write down, that is solution on number line. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is also very simple, that is 5x minus 3x greater than equal to minus 5, this 3, that is plus 3. So now, so here what we get here, that is 2x, okay, 2x greater than equal to minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. Now I will divide by 2, that is nothing but here x greater than equal to minus 2. Now that implies, so here x belongs to what it is, greater than minus 2 means it is greater than or equal to, that is minus 2 to plus infinity. Andre you know, kadime andre na minus 2 the, that is very less is minus 2, the maximum it is plus infinity. Now on number line, okay, solution on number line. Now what it is, that we shall observe here. Okay, this is our number line. Let us take it as 0. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So now from where to where, x is greater than or equal to minus 2, that means starting point is minus 2. Okay, minus 2, and it is shaded region. Why it is shaded region, dear students? Because it is including minus 2, greater than or equal to. Strictly means a darker area it will be there. Okay, this is nothing but our solution region. It is nothing but our solution region here. That is solution on the number line here. Very simple example. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. So here in this next problem I will multiply by 3, that is 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. Okay, less than 2x plus 8. So here what I will do here, that is I will shift it, that is minus 3x here, minus 2x less than 8, and then minus 3. So what we get here, minus 5x less than what we get, 8 minus 3, that is 5 here. I will divide it by minus 5. Divided by minus 5 means x will be greater than 1 here. Okay, that is a divide. If you multiply and divide it by the minus sign, the sign changes. What it is, if you multiply and divide it by minus of that value, the value changes here. The value changes. So what we get here, that implies here x belongs to what it is, that is greater than 1 means 1 to positive infinity. Now on the number line, so it is our number line, plus minus infinity, plus infinity, then it is 0, 1, 2, then 3, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next we are having greater than 1. Okay, that is nothing but our solution on the number line. One thing. Now let us start with the fourth point. The fourth point example is very simple. Now what we have taken here, x by 2 greater than or equal to, I will cross multiply. That is 5 into 2x. Okay, the 5 into 5x minus 2. Okay, minus of, that is taking the LCM, 5 3s are 15 we have, dear students. Next here 3 into 7x minus 3 here. Now after multiplying it, x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 25x minus 2, 5 2s are 10, minus 7 3s are 21x, minus into minus plus 9, whole divided by, the value is, dear students, it is 15. Now again I will do the cross multiplication here, 15 into x, that is nothing but here 15, or else x by 2 greater than or equal to 25 minus 21x, that is nothing but what is the value, dear students, that is 4x, minus 10 plus 9, the value will be, that is nothing but minus 1 divided by 15. Now this divided by 2, I will take it to the RHS. So what we get, and here cross multiplication, that is 15x greater than or equal to 2, multiply here, that is 8x minus 2. 8x you take it to the LHS, that is nothing but 15x minus 8x greater than or equal to minus 2. Now here, dear students, now what we get here, that is nothing but here 15 minus 8x, that is nothing but 7x greater than or equal to minus 2. At last the value, that is x, will be greater than or equal to divided by 7, that is minus 2 by 7 here, minus 2 by 7 value. Okay, and we have to solve it. That is very simple. At last on the number line, okay, at last on the number line, its value is 0. Okay, it's 1 here, that is nothing but minus infinity, here it is 2. Okay, and here it is 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, so on. It is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. For example here, that is it becomes, the value becomes 0.1 something. 0.1 means minus 0.1, it's come somewhere here, that is nothing but here minus 2 by 7 value. Now here strictly greater than means I have to take the whole number, okay, including that number also. So dear friends, it is nothing but our solution on the number line, minus 2 by 7 value it is. Okay, dear students, it is nothing but our solution, okay, on the number line. The problems are very simple related to this solution on the number line. We have to solve it, okay, we have to solve it, and we have to find the solution on this particular real number line here. Number line means it is nothing but real line itself. Okay, dear students, so we shall move to the next problem. Before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us begin with the next thing, that is system of linear inequalities in one variable. System of equation means what here? We are having two or more equations here, two or more inequations. So first of all, we shall observe the problem. Both we have to solve it separately first, and then depending on the number line, we have to solve the given problem here. It is a very simple thing here. Let us start the problem. So the first inequation, that is 3x minus 7 less than 5 plus x here. Now all the x value I will take it one side, that is 3x plus x is less than 5 plus 7. So now what we get here, that is nothing but here 4x less than 10, 11, 12. So that implies x will be less than divided by 4, that is nothing but x less than 3 here. That means what is the solution here? X belongs to, so here it is less than 3, less than means greater value is 3 till where it is minus infinity, till where it is the minus infinity. Okay, the first thing. Next one comes is the 11 minus 5x less than equal to 1 here. 11 minus 5x less than equal to 1. That we shall solve here. Very simple thing. Okay, now here I will take it to the, so here that is subtract both sides by minus 11, that is subtract by 11 on both sides. That means what we get 11 minus 11 0 minus 5x less than equal to 1 minus 11 it is, that is minus 5x less than equal to minus 10. Now what I will do is divide both side by minus, okay, that is divide or multiply by minus 1 by 5 here on both sides. If I am multiplying by minus sign, what happens here, that is x here greater than equal to what it comes, that is greater than equal to 2. That implies here x, the solution region is from where to where it is greater than 2, dear students. Greater than 2 means, okay, least value is 2, x is greater than 2, that means, and it is strictly 2 to plus infinity. For infinity always we are making use of round brackets, that is the open interval. Here it is x is less than 3 and 3 ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ, 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ವರೆಗೆ. Okay dear students, now let us draw this both of that on the number line. Let us observe the number line here. Okay dear students, it is our number line, that is plus infinity and it is from minus infinity. It is our x equal to 0, 1, 2. Here we can observe that 3 and 2 values are there, 3, 4. Then we are having minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now the first solution I will draw on the upside, that is nothing but x is less than 3, x is less than 3, less than 3 means till where it is, till minus infinity, the first one, that is x less than 3 here, 1. The second one what we have, that is x is greater than equal to 2 here, x is greater than 2 means from where, right, starting from 2, greater than or equal to 2, you have to round figure it, and from here till plus infinity. Now here dear students, the common region between these two, from here till everywhere is a solution, and for this till here till positive infinity we are having the solution here. That means the region common between these two, it is only the region common between these two, that is right from starting from here, that is 2 till where it is, till 3 here, not 3 here, till 3 here. That means here the solution here, okay, therefore the solution is that is x belongs to what we have, that is right from 2 to 3, not 3, it is near to 3, that is the required solution region here. Very very simple. Now we have to choose a common region between these two solution line. This is solution line for x less than 3, it is a solution line for x greater than or equal to 2 here. So here the solution is from the region common for these two is only this value, therefore it is our solution region here. Okay, idu one idu. Next we shall start the next example, that is nothing but here 3x minus 7 greater than 2 into x minus x. We shall solve it, that is 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. I will solve it, that is 3x minus 2x greater than minus 12 plus 7 here, that is nothing but x here, x greater than minus 12 plus 7. What is the value here, that we shall observe. Now what is the value, that is nothing but minus 5 here, x is greater than minus 5. Also one more region, that is nothing but here 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. Okay, 2x I will shift it to this side, that is minus x plus 2x greater than 11 minus 6 here. What we get, x is greater than what we have, that is nothing but here 5. These are the two solutions. Now dear students, I will draw the number line here, very very simple problem. That is our number line, this is x equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly you can take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. Here the required point is plus 5 and minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5 here. Okay, it is plus infinity and it is our minus plus infinity minus infinity point. Now here first solution I will take, x is greater than minus 5. Here the minus 5 point is there, okay, strictly greater, it is a slack variable and it is greater than, that means right from here, that from here to here, that is nothing but here x is greater than what it is, x is greater than minus 5, x is greater than minus 5, first thing. Then comes x greater than 5 here, x greater than 5 here, x greater than 5 means what it is, okay, it is value here, x greater than 5 here, that means greater, strictly greater than 5 here, greater than 5 means from where to where it is, greater means till positive infinity, That is our region. Now here, which is a common region for both of the thing? That is, one thing is here right from minus phi till positive infinity one solution, and here x is greater than phi here. This is another solution, that is not phi, greater than phi till infinity. And here we can observe that the common region, the common solution region for both of it is from here to here. That is from 5 till positive infinity. So therefore, what is the solution here? Therefore, solution region is that means the union of a common part of these two things, common solution of these two regions. So what it is? X belongs to, I can write as phi to positive infinity, and we have to write it as in terms of open interval only. We have to write in terms of open interval only, that is from phi to infinity. It is an open interval. Okay. Now dear students, now let us start with the last problem. The last problem is also very simple. The first one, phi x minus 1 less than 24, that is phi x less than 25 plus 1 that side, that implies x is less than 5 was solution. Also we are having phi x plus 1 greater than minus 24, then phi x greater than what we have minus 25, and x greater than what we have, that is minus 5. Now here again we are getting the two solutions here. One is x is less than 5, one is x is greater than minus 5. We shall draw both of it. This is our plus infinity, minus infinity. I will draw the line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then it is minus 5. And it is nothing but our minus 5 here. Now, this is the first part. The next part is, so here first one is x is less than 5. Strictly less than 5 means from where it comes, x is less than 5, that is x is less than 5 here, first solution. Second solution is x is greater than minus 5. That is greater than minus 5 means from here to it is plus, x is greater than minus 5. Greater than means what? X ಅನ್ನೋದು minus 5 ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. minus 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ minus 4, minus 3 till so on till plus infinity. And it takes all the real numbers. Real numbers means what? Both rational as well as irrational number here. Now dear students, the common region between both the solution, that is one is x less than 5 and one is x greater than minus 5. What is the common region? Here we can observe that this particular region, okay, this particular region not including minus 5 and 5, okay, but between those two terms. So therefore, what is the solution? Therefore, solution is x belongs to, that is here I can tell it as minus 5 to 5 here. That is nothing but our required very simple solution. Okay dear students, so before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. Here also we are having a simultaneous equation dear students. So first of all I will solve the first equation, that is nothing but here 2 into x minus 1 less than x plus 5 here, multiplied by 2, that is the 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5 here. Now you take the x to the LHS side, that is nothing but here 2x minus x less than 5 plus 2 here, that is nothing but here x greater less than 7 here. What we have, that is nothing but here x less than 7. This is the first equation. Also we are having, that is nothing but a 3 into x plus 2 greater than 2 minus x here, greater than 2 minus x. Now multiplied by 3, that is a 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x here. Now here you can solve it very easily, that is nothing but here 3x plus x greater than 2 minus 6. Now you solve it, that is nothing but here 4x greater than minus 4. You divide it by 4, that is like nothing but x greater than minus 1. These are the two solutions. Actually we require only one solution on the number line. So now let us take it from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is a plus infinity and it is minus infinity on the number line. And here the first solution I will write. We can observe it is 7 and it is minus 1. I will take it as here minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7 and then 8. Now we shall solve it. Now x is greater, so first of all x is less than 7. Less than 7 means right from here to it is x is less than 7 here. One thing. Next one is x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1 means right from here till where it is, till plus infinity, that is x greater than minus 1. So therefore the common region between these two parts, it is nothing but our common region. So what we get, that implies the solution is x belongs to right from where it is minus 1 till where it is, till 7. That is nothing but your required solution. Okay dear students, now these problems are only solved here. We don't require any solution on the number line, that we shall observe here. Now here what we have, that is 2 less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. So now we require only that x part. All the variables multiplied, divided, multiplied, whatever it is by x, we have to remove and we have to keep only x there. That means here the first phase is minus 4 we have to remove. That means add 4 above, okay, on both sides. Okay, that is both LHS and RHS. So what we get here, that is 2 plus 4 less than equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than equal to 5 plus 4. Minus 4 we have to remove, we have to, okay, that is add 4. Okay. Next we get 6 less than equal to 3x, it is 0, less than equal to 5 plus 4, that is nothing but here 9 here, first part. Now divide by 3. So what we get, 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3 here, 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. That means therefore the solution is that is x belongs to right from where to where, 2 to 3 here. The solution right from belongs to 2 to 3. That is nothing but our required result here. That is a very, very simple thing. Now let us move on to the second one. It is also very simple. Now here we are having plus 4. That means we have to subtract by 4. Minus 3 minus 4 less than equal to here 4 minus 7x by 2 minus 4, okay, less than equal to 18 minus 4. What we get here, minus 7 dear students, then less than equal to here get cancelled, 7x by 2 minus 7x by 2 less than equal to 14. Now divide by 2 is there, I have to multiply by 2, okay, multiply by 2 here. So what we get here, that is nothing but minus 14 less than equal to minus 7x less than equal to 28. Now what we have to do here dear students, that is multiply by 1 by 7. If we are multiplying by 1 by 7, minus of that the sign changes, okay, that is multiply by minus 1 by 7, and also here the sign changes. What happens here, that is nothing but minus 14 divided by minus 7 less than equal to becomes greater than equal to minus 7x by minus 7, then greater than equal to 28 divided by minus 7. Now here what we get here, the value is 2 greater than equal to x. Next here greater than equal to what we have, that is 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, that is minus 4, okay, 7 4s are 28. Now if we rewrite it, okay, if we rewrite this equation, what we have is minus 4, okay, I will write it in the proper manner, less than equal to x and then less than equal to 2, okay, that is nothing but our required solution, that is nothing but our required solution. And hence the solution, that is x belongs to what we have, that is minus 4 till where it is 2 here, from minus 4 to 2, that is nothing but our required solution here. Okay dear students, now let us begin with the next problem. The next problem is also very simple. Here divide by 5 we have, I will multiply by 5 throughout, that is minus 15 into 5 less than 3 into x minus 5, x minus 2 here, less than equal to 0 into 15, okay, multiply by 15 throughout, okay, multiply by 5 dear students, multiply by 5, here 5 I get eliminates. Next thing is 15 into 5, okay, that is nothing but here minus 75, okay, then less than 3x minus 6 here, then less than 0 here. Again minus 6 part is there, to remove this we have to add a 6 throughout, that is minus 775 plus 6 less than 3x minus 6 plus 6 get eliminates and less than 0 plus 6. Now here I will subtract, that is add minus 75 plus 6, that is nothing but here minus 69 less than 3x then less than 6 here. Now here 3x is the remaining part, divide by 3 throughout, okay, divide by 3, and here what we are adding here, add 6, add 6, and here what I am doing here, multiply by 5. Okay, multiply by 5 I had done here. Now that means by 5 means throughout we are multiplying. Divide by 3 means what we get, that is minus 23 less than x and less than, that is 2 here. That implies here, so x belongs to what we have, that is minus 23, okay, comma 2. And here we are making use of the open bracket. So since these slack variables wherever there, so these two are nothing but the slack variables. These two are known as slack variables, and here greater than equal to and less than equal to are called as strict variables. So these are nothing but here slack variables. In this slack purpose, slack always we are making use of open interval, whereas in this strict inequalities always we are making use of the closed intervals. That is a very important point to remember. And where you had learned this open and closed interval, you had learnt in your, that is the first chapter, that is set theory. Okay dear students, that is enough for this particular class. In the next class we shall learn about the, okay, just now we had learnt about the solution of the number line. In the next class we will see how we have to draw the graph of the given inequalities. Okay dear students, so before going to that, please pause the video to note it down.